Geothermal energy part 2. One way of producing electricity from geothermal energy is by drilling wells into the geothermal reservoirs. The hot water that rises emerges at the surface as steam. The steam is used to drive turbines producing electricity. Turbines are connected to generators, so heat energy turns into mechanical energy and then it converts into electrical energy. If the water is not hot enough to produce steam, it can still be used to heat homes and businesses, saving gas and electricity. Geothermal energy is a renewable source of energy. The heat in regions of volcanic activity was produced by the decay of radioactive elements like uranium. Volcanoes are evidence of the enormous heat and energy beneath the Earth's surface, but do not provide a safe or reliable energy resource. In some areas of the world, like Iceland, geothermally heated water is readily available in springs and geysers. This is used to drive the turbines and electricity generation stations. This source is renewable, doesn't produce pollution, and does not have a great impact on the environment. There are many areas of the world where geothermally heated springs can and are being used to provide energy. Geothermal energy can also be used in areas with no hot springs. There are some areas where the rocks beneath the ground are hot enough to produce steam. Geothermal energy can also be used to heat houses by burying long pipes full of water a few meters below the ground. The water is warmed by the ground. The temperature change is not very big, but hotter water can be produced using a heat pump, which is a bit like a refrigerator in reverse. The hot water leaving the heat pump is warm enough to heat homes and to use for bathing.